Ebusanfo mamu nyina akwaba eba Ghana Asem TV GH. Mesro like, comment, subscribing, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Yanko ene asem no so. Ebusanfo over the week, video be trendy ye pa. Na sa video mono. Pastor B now complaining bitterly. Say no. Ufa interest rate I war treasury business no. Enye encouraging at all. And sa pastor ya hwehwem kakra, and just to realize said not knowing no sa sofo no or Assemblies of God pastor. Yeah, it's shocking and surprising me, so I'm surprised when I came across information and I said osofo no sana ofri omampeni ankasa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ankasa na sorry no. It speaks loud because on say ebia say other denomination bia and obi betimi aka say o MPP fo akwa hwe no makwa akosoketi no makopa bibi kakra ma no say on be kasa ti John Mahama ne NDC aban, but we Assemblies of God sorry His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is registered with ankasa pastor ene ba bonti be kase nyama ekoso no it does not augur well with the people, the population. As there are certain truths that the politicians more in power no, are not telling us. The fact say, we bet me catch the say interest rate ever form. Now interest rate ever form no. Uko banks uko peska uko pe busia loan you are not getting. You won't get. And that is the sad aspect. That is the sad truth. And he say because Bank of Ghana, they are doing what we call currency sterilization, trying to remove currency from the system. Currency before now no no. Government is trying so hard to take it away from Ghanaians' pockets. And why so? Just because they want to come and tell you that inflation is down, inflation is a single digit, and abba papa abba. Right? And they will tell you say interest rate in about form. But when you go to the bank, you have all your documents intact. You are doing everything right, but you will not get any support. You will not get the loan you are looking for. Bank of Ghana has removed over 50 billion Ghana cedis from your system. Money that was in circulation, all because of inflation. And the treasury bill, they say no cover treasury bill. Sika was swear your profit no. You'll be disappointed. And the Assemblies of God are so far now about Botibe Kasadie, and you should know say there be things are not all right, or things are not all well. It's not all rosy as NDC4 would want us to believe. Now moving from there, what we are hearing is say allegedly, where there you see Ghana say only lawyers car Ubekasana say allegedly, but we are reliably informed by still an allegation. Media Mikofa Mukai made a minimum and will be a team by Jimmy say Makasi ni say that pastor our Babontia Bekasano. We are hearing say they are triggering some internal disciplinary actions against him. Yeah. Because only said already Assemblies of God are sorry no. We love Assemblies of God. Yes, don't get it twisted. Me, I like and I love Assemblies of God. The way some of their churches, very beautiful edifices, right? They do so well. But when John Mama came to power, Assemblies of God, I felt say you could have rejected some of the things he wanted to do for your church alone. He said the fact say he has built over 10 churches for you after he won 2024 election. Let's ask ourselves, where did he get all of those monies from to build single-handedly 10 churches and 10 mission houses for Asoreno? When he was in opposition for 8 years here, he didn't get the money to build those churches. But once he won an election, he had money to do all those. That alone should have triggered something in you to say, no, Yempe, keep it. Use that money maybe to construct a hospital for your people at Bole Bamboy. So we are hearing said they have triggered internal disciplinary actions against the pastor. Now say we will be back to update you on it. And I would say, we Ghanaians will start seeing, indeed, no, freedom of speech and expression is under attack under this NDC government, as we are saying it always. So we'll keep you updated. Don't go anywhere. There's an interesting conversation playing next. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. For still, your project, about the studio, still, so. For some time now, I've not been able to come your way directly from productions because of one or two things. And Doomsons and Sema, because we're gonna have so easy and Doomsony network. So that is why you've not heard updates from the studio project now. But we are still on, and you can support us using the numbers as they appear on your screen. Thanks to all of you who have actually come to our aid. Ghana Nst JDM, and yet as other blocks know, we are a family and we are doing this together. And the penultimate aim, and is we want to see the elephant back to the Jubilee House. And however you will support us for us to achieve that aim now, please do.
Abusia, yacha kronfo no. Yachi wo fili kadochi. Yachi wo fili kadochi. Ha, kronfo ya kronfo. Just say kronfo ye criminals. Mo kai bi video na me ye first I me say NDC for no. Bank of Ghana e ka omo so omo abo. Na just 15 billion 19 billion. Since does since mo kai se me kan sa asem no. Aha, honorable Gideon Wako. And Bank of Ghana publish some financial statement, when you be a kind, and I do more suko. About the told you say, a car NDC a boy our Bank of Ghana in 2025 pay. 44 billion Ghana cedis near 44 billion. And the no crest a come boy 15 billion, 19 billion, 44 billion Ghana cedis any actually. Wait, there is no COVID. There is no Russia-Ukraine war. There is no global economic crisis. 2025. Now, America, any Israel, bombing Iran. There was no challenge. There was nothing. No problem. Be any honum. But Central Bank, Bank of Ghana, Aboka, 44 billion Ghana cedis. Charlie, then I ask if now you see, Bank of Ghana will be a friend on equity position. Equity position in Ghana, ye sika ye de ama Bank of Ghana. Ye taxes ye de ama omo so omo fa nyu munyuma. Ofe no, ni omo de aye, assets a omo de acquire. Eni ema omo de aye a, edi sika ebre Bank of Ghana. Ofe no. Now say hwe eni ema Bank of Ghana e wa ye friend liabilities e ka omo de eni ni ema omo aye a edi sika ebe firi omo account mu akwa abonten. Liability o neti a near Ubenya, and only a friend of equity position. As at 2024, 50 independence, ABC 2024, now about 58 billion or so. But NDC4 at just 1 year, I was in Bank of Ghana equity position. I increased every 58 billion, I could do 93 billion into in the space of 1 year per. In excess of 30 billion. 30 billion na akose Bank of Ghana equity sika e dia mom to be eroded. Say sika no ye be chiri sika no 30 billion ani ahwe. 30 billion no. Equity position are worsen in excess of 30 billion. And you see, we me person me sound technical anything I me breaking it down. All that I'm saying in say Bank of Ghana 50 independence, Independence Messi 2024. Sika ne kro ma omodi yo adwuma. Ene eka na omodede. Otiti firi mu a na Bank of Ghana edeka 58 billion, right? 50 independence Messi 2024. And this is for by 1 year pay. 1 year pay. Omodi in excess of 30 billion. 30 billion account. 30 billion omo de aka ho but the kankasa omo boy in 2024 44 billion and there is no COVID, There wasn't any Russia-Ukraine war. There wasn't any global pandemic. And you see, and Crawford, I'm going to jail. Because, and to the more they might say, 44 billion, no, on my board and who can, and 44 billion can on my bono. Almost my inflation bar from, almost my dollar bar for them. And Sam Crawford, I'm going to jail. Because, who to me can't let me say, who is carefree Ghana for bottom? By way say, untia kokwa foka, untia teacher foka, untia nurse foka, untia juma for my juma railway sector, omoka, untia contractors ka. By way say, who preventing Ghana from getting money? Avens who is every Ghana for bottom, and no what 44 billion. Not just you are candidate for Nsawem. You are candidate for Nsawem because what has accounted for reduction in inflation? Demand a work from Ghana for Omunisika on the Tony. And it's also about 44 billion to make that happen. Not just we are candidate for Nsawem. And this is for no, they are candidates. But Central Bank of Ghana, Governor, no, Sami Jemfi Gold Board, any atro forcing. All these people are candidates for Nsawem because Sana Joma na same way. Won't me member turn Ghana for 44 billion. Now you see in my next video, no, me baba church how our MPP in 2022 Bank of Ghana spending 60 billion or this 60 billion so MPP are buying us say. I be share Ghana for bottom directly. So 60 billion no. Eba Ghana for bottom directly. Na omutimi edija. Ema jedi fu enije. Etimi to toni ema farmers enije. Ekufuado abantimi increase edwuma for salary. Ni ye ne ema kese ye man for free water. Metchos ani ema ni nyina. Ni ya hwe NDC so 44 billion a car. Omabo